making some spaghetti this evening. It's going to be some good stuff. I'm using actually ground turkey. One, because it's probably good for you. Two, it's because it's cheaper. And I'm all about cheaper. Okay, well, a pound is pretty much too much for just me. It's not too much, I can eat it all, but there's really no sense in it. So what I do is I cut it in half. Just use half of it. And I'll freeze the rest. Actually, when I freeze it, here's what I like to do. I like to squish it down flat, so when I do cook it, from being frozen, it goes a lot quicker. Okay, got the half cut. It's easier to get about the size, right amount you want. Storage space is limited too in these trucks, so found about 1/3 of a box is about right. I know that looks like half, but I've already used it once before. Alright, the water is boiling. I'll just immerse those in the boiling water. Okay, I've got the turkey meat on the fire. I'm all out of butter, so I'm just going to cook this in the same oil. Mushrooms. Let them cook at the same time. Alright, it's starting to cook down pretty good. My wife makes her own pasta sauce. This is from tomatoes right out of her garden, probably other vegetables out of her garden. I don't think she grew the garlic. I think there's some garlic in there. But well, it's as good as anything you get in the store, probably better. I'm not just saying that because I'm married to her. It's the truth. That's some good stuff. That is some good stuff right there. Oh yeah. Looking good. I know it's soupy right now, but it'll cook out. It'll be ready to go. And the noodles are getting pretty soft too, so that's looking good. Done enough for the likes of me. You can reduce it some more if you like. That's alright. Parmesan cheese to finish it off. And we're going to call it spaghetti. Thanks for joining me for Cooking on the Road. This is Clay Jeffrey the Arkansasier. See you next time.